Hi, I'm Dr. Opdahl. Let me share with you the 3 ways that we help our patients who've been injured in auto accidents. The first thing that we do is we provide the proper treatment through all 3 phases of the healing process. So most people don't understand that your body goes through 3 distinct phases. There's the inflammatory phase, there's the repair phase, and then there's the remodel phase. The therapies are different. In the inflammatory phase, you need to get rid of all the pain and inflammation. And we have specific therapies targeted just for that. Then you go into the repair phase. Now during the repair phase, there are 3 types of motion that have to be restored to normal. The first is active motion, the second is passive motion, and the third is joint motion. You have to restore normal movement back to the joint. That's very, very important. Then in the third phase is the remodel phase. During this phase, what you're trying to do is restore elasticity and strength back into the joints and the ligaments. If you don't do that, you're going to have consequences of pain, long-term pain and problems, and weakness, so that the next time there's an accident or something goes wrong, or even a normal activity that you're used to doing can now cause injury and relapses. So the reason I bring all 3 of these phases up is because all too often in my office, people get in auto accidents, they go to the emergency room or to a medical doctor and he takes x-rays, doesn't find any broken bones, and says, here's some muscle relaxers and painkillers. Now that's great if you're in the inflammatory phase, but that's all they do. So what happens is they end up taking all these painkillers and muscle relaxers through all 3 phases of the healing process. They don't restore normal joint movement, they don't restore the elasticity and the strength of the joint, and they wind up with chronic problems, and really they become permanent. And oftentimes we have to deal with the consequences of this kind of neglect. So that's how we help people during the that's how we help people move through the proper healing process and get full resolution of their problem as much as you possibly can. The other thing that we do is we properly document. We make sure that we explain clearly what is wrong and what we did to fix it. Because in some of these cases, you have to file a claim. And if that claim ever goes to court, the other thing that we're willing to do for our patients is we will go to court to testify to the facts of the case to help support their claim about exactly what was wrong and what we did to repair it. So that's how we help our patients who've been injured in an auto accident. If you have any of these symptoms and need help with these types of problems, this is something that I can help you with. Give me a call, 360-666-6001.